Hey, how's it going? I'm Tony Weir. Welcome to the brand new Pledge Drive page this year. Isn't this awesome? It's exciting, isn't it? I'm glad to be a part of it. I feel excited just being a part of it. So I hope you'll click around all kinds of different things here on the page and find out what's going on for this year's Mission 2009, Small World, Big God. This is our Share-a-thon, but we're kind of getting away from the Share-a-thon name this year. We're kind of going more with a Pledge Drive and the Mission 2009 type theme. So hope you're going to be along with us. You know, here every year when we come to our listeners and we just, wow, what you've done in the past has just been amazing. When you think about the beginnings of the ministry here, Doyle and me in a building in the middle of a field. And, of course, a lot of great volunteer help and financial support. And look what God's done with that. Now a staff of over 20 and reaching around the world. That's where we got our theme, Small World, Big God. Because, you know, you are watching this video from wherever you might be. Your neighbor could watch it, but somebody around the world could be watching this video as well. And the same goes for listening to the House FM and to Praise 88.7. Isn't that just amazing? From a metal building in the middle of a field in Oklahoma, God is reaching around the world to touch lives, and you help make that happen. Think about what it means in your own life to have the Christian music and the ministry and the DJs who are your friends every day on the radio or on the internet. And your support not only keeps that going for you, but it keeps it going for thousands of other people around Oklahoma and around the world. I'm humbled to just come to you again this year and say that you helped make it possible, and thank you so much for considering being a part of the ministry this year. You can read more about it here on this page. Just look around, click around. Looks great. It's exciting. And of course, I really want you to look right up here, because we've got the brand new shirt this year. Everybody, just every year after year, people really have loved the shirts that we put out. Of course, here's last year's. I live at the House FM. A lot of these went out. Here's last year's Praise shirt. I Live to Praise. And you'll notice brand new I Live at the House and I Live to Praise shirts right up there. Take a look. Go ahead, take a look right now and check out the shirts. I am so stoked. I think they're the best shirts we've ever done, and so I'm really excited about it. But I thought while we're here, if you can take just an extra moment, thanks for being here, but let's go back in time. Let's go back and look at some of our vintage shirts that have been out there. Maybe you have one or two of these, like, oh yeah, here's an anniversary shirt, established 92. I think that was a 15th anniversary shirt here. I like this one. I like the red, the big 92. Kind of like a sports shirt. Okay. Here's a real popular one. Stand Strong. All right. This was a very popular shirt. This is probably what really kicked off the popularity of our shirts right here. Stand Strong. Hope you have one of these. Here's an oldie but a goodie. 2 tempos, 1 truth. We put this shirt out when the House first went on the air back in 2002, and we split from being just KLVV to being Praise, and the House, 2 tempos, 1 truth, and we still are today, aren't we? Awesome. Oh, here's the Go shirt. Remember that one? Now here's one. I bet a lot of you don't have this one. Oh, 10th anniversary shirt. With the torch there. I think it was an Olympic year. 10th anniversary shirt. This is a one of kind that I have, because the very first one we did was darker here in the middle, and so I got to keep it because I had a really good tan in the summer, and I like the tanner one. So one of a kind, but you might have one like it if you were listening back then. Now, if you have this shirt, you've been with us a very long time. Are you ready? Oh! Glow in the Dark shirt. Glow in the Dark. That's right. The original shirts from Love 88.7 glowed in the dark. And if you ever came for a tour at the station, we had a glow in the dark room, and we had these shirts up on the wall, and we would bring the kids in and turn out the light. Oh, look! Glows in the dark. It was amazing technology. But anyway, if you still have one of these, wow. But there it is, the original glow in the dark. Shirts have been around for a while. I hope you'll check out the new ones. They're really cool, but most of all, I hope you'll pray about making a financial donation this year to support the ministry. We have a lot of fun, but it's a very big message that we want to get out as well, and that's the message of Christ, and you play a very vital part. Thanks so much. Thank you for your prayers. Thank you for your gifts. Thanks for being with us so long here at the House FM and Praise 88.7. See ya.